Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Webflow Ecommerce CMS with US checkout apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Webflow Ecommerce CMS with US checkout apps, first, log into your Webflow account. Navigate to the dashboard of your project. Select the e-commerce option from the left-hand menu. If you haven't enabled e-commerce yet, click on the Get Started button. Fill in the required details about your store, including the name and currency. Once your store is set up, go to the Products tab in the e-commerce section. Click on Add Product to create your first item. Fill in the item's name, description, and images. Set the price for your product in the Pricing section. Scroll down to the Product Variants area if applicable. Add options like size, color, or any other variations unique to your product. After entering the required information, click Save Product. Next, head over to the Checkout settings in the e-commerce menu. You will now want to set up payment options. Click on Payment Methods within the Checkout settings. Select a payment provider like Stripe or PayPal. Follow the prompts to connect your payment account, ensuring all necessary details are filled in. After setting up payment methods, you may want to configure shipping options. Click on the Shipping tab in the Checkout settings. Add your shipping methods, specifying rates and zones as needed. Once everything is in place, it's time to preview your store. Hit the Preview button on the top right corner of your editor. Go through the checkout process in preview mode to ensure functionality. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview experience. Finally, publish your site by clicking the Publish button in the top right corner. Your Webflow e-commerce with US checkout apps is now activated and ready for customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.